Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Naomi from Home Guide, and today I will be talking about biogas digester installation prices in Kenya. Now, should you want to install biogas system in your home, how much exactly is it going to cost you? Let us have a look at that. Biogas installation costs a total of 100,000 Kenya shillings, which is inclusive of labor, materials needed during the installation process, as well as the cooking equipment. Note, in Kenya, biogas digesters are built in a range of sizes spanning from small-scale biogas for homes to industrial biogas biodigesters for schools, commercial buildings, hotels, and hospitals. And whenever you're ready to have one installed in your home, please do reach Home Guide Biogas Installation Company through WhatsApp or call at 0714 195554. Home Guide is a leading biogas and biodigester installation company in Kenya, which will make sure to construct a very effective and durable biogas biodigesters for its customers. We are reliable and known for installing long-lasting biogas systems, unlike plastic biodigesters installed that only last for a short period of time due to being damaged by heat from the sun and other elements. We do a site visit to determine the size of the biogas digester that will be installed on your home or farm. The installation is dependent on the gas or energy needs, plus the amount of organic waste or animals that you have in your home. Now, imagine having a way to produce your own gas energy at home using organic waste such as cow dung, poultry poop, kitchen scraps, or even plant leftovers. That is what biogas can do. It literally turns trash into power. Isn't it awesome not to worry about market gas whose prices keep increasing every now and then? Well, that is only possible when you have biogas in place. Let us now look at what exactly biogas is. Biogas is a renewable and environmentally friendly gas that is produced through the natural process of anaerobic digestion. It primarily consists of methane, which is a potent greenhouse gas, and carbon dioxide, along with traces of other gases such as hydrogen sulfide. Now, what are the benefits of having biogas in your home? Biogas has a lot of benefits to those who want to install it in their homes. It will not only enhance the quality of your life as a homeowner, but will also serve as a permanent and cost-effective source of energy, making it a wise investment. Number one benefit of biogas, it provides a continuous and reliable source of energy. A biogas system offers homeowners an uninterrupted and dependable energy source. Unlike traditional gas supplies that require regular purchases, a biogas biodigester continuously produces gas as long as there is organic waste to feed it. This results in significant long-term financial benefits, as homeowners don't need to set a substantial portion of their budget for buying gas. It is a one-time investment that pays off in the long run, providing economic stability and energy security for households. It is a clean cooking fuel. Most homeowners install a biogas system so it can supply for them clean and cooking fuel. It burns cleanly and efficiently, producing minimal emissions and significantly reducing indoor air pollution compared to traditional solid fuels like firewood or charcoal. When you cook with biogas, your health will not only be protected, but also be improved because it cooks cleanly. The indoor air will be clean, which will lead to better respiratory health for household members, particularly women and children who are often exposed to harmful fumes while cooking. Manages organic waste in homes. Biogas systems come with the added advantage of efficiently managing organic waste. Biogas biodigesters feed on organic materials like kitchen leftovers, agricultural remnants, as well as cow dung and chicken excrement. This will reduce the amount of organic waste deposited in landfills, thereby contributing to good management of organic waste in homes. This approach to waste management not only fosters a cleaner and more orderly living environment, but also promotes sustainable waste disposal practices. Bioslurry can be used as fertilizer. Another noteworthy advantage of biogas system is their potential to produce valuable byproducts. Throughout the anaerobic digestion process, alongside methane, biogas digesters also generate bioslurry, an organic material that is full of nutrients. Experts have proved and recommended the use of bioslurry as a natural fertilizer. This will contribute greatly to your home gardens and farms. Enriches soil. This bioslurry will enrich the soil, reduce the dependency of chemical fertilizers, and enhance crop yields. This will promote eco-friendly farming practices. Gift to parents who use firewood. The advantages of implementing a biogas system reach beyond individual homes. In regions where firewood serves as the primary energy source, families have the option to present this technology as a gift to their parents or elderly relatives, decrease their dependence on depleting natural resources. Given the increasing scarcity of firewood and its role in deforestation and air pollution, gifting a biogas biodigester becomes a meaningful and environmentally sustainable gesture. This not only assists older generations in decreasing their dependence on depleting natural resources, but also mitigates their exposure to the bad effects of indoor